Hello and welcome. Today we're working on a nativity scene. This cookie was made with a template originally designed for a felt ornament. I cookified it and here is the finished cookie. Before we go on to the tutorial, I just want to show you my prototype here. This is a more exact copy of the felt template. I decided to alter the template a little bit. I added a little bit of fabric on her head and an arm, and I find it adds a softness to it. And here on this prototype, I piped the faces above instead of inset, and I don't really like it. I find it looks a little bit creepy. I prefer this version, so stay tuned for this step by step. We're gonna start by transferring our lines onto the cookie. I'm doing so with an edible marker. Here I'm holding my paper template and I'm just doing this center line, and with it I'll be able to create the others. It's up to you how comfortable you are with minimum lines. If you need more, then just cut the template a second time to get additional lines. Now I'm doing like a jelly bean shape, a circle there, and then here 2 lines, half a circle underneath it, and then like that. This is beard. Here I like the fabric kind of draped over her head and then her hand holding him like so, and another circle here for her face. And there we go. And now we're going to take some black royal icing to outline that. Now we're going to outline the cookie. I've got a number 2 tip. It's up to you how much of the black line you want showing. Since it's going to have color on each side, it hides a lot of the line. You're going to have to kind of make up your mind for that. And now I'm just going to follow the brown lines, and sometimes I don't respect them. I'll just do it a little bit different, but the brown lines are just to give me an idea of where to pipe. Once your black outline has had a little bit of time to crust, you can come in and fill your sections. I'm starting here with my green. Next, I'm going to be doing sections of her working on Joseph's hair and beard now. Now for the baby, white. We're going to fill in the rest of Mary's dress. Now here Joseph has like a headband, and I'm using a very light gold color, kind of like cream. I wanted it to look more natural. We're going to finish off the cookie. I've got here some copper icing, and we're going to be dropping the eyes into the wet icing. We don't want them above. And there. Smooth that out. And put a small tip in. You don't want to have big eyes. I'm barely squeezing for the baby's eyes. Dot, dot. Here a smaller one and then a bigger one. Her head is to look like it's turned. And then Joseph's eyes. And that's it. If they're popping out a little bit from the icing, you can flatten them out with your needle tool gently or tap the cookie. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.